Imagine this. What if all the oxygen on Earth disappeared? Not forever, but just for 5 seconds. Sounds harmless, right? After all, most of us can hold our breath for 30 seconds without a problem. But in reality, those 5 seconds would turn our world upside down in ways you'd never expect. Welcome to FactLab, where we explore the craziest what-if scenarios of science and space. Today, let's uncover what would really happen if oxygen vanished for just 5 seconds. Part 1. Breathing isn't the problem. First things first, you wouldn't even notice. Your lungs wouldn't collapse and you wouldn't suddenly faint. Breathing would actually remain normal for those 5 seconds. But while your body might not realize what's happening, the rest of the world definitely would. Part 2. Buildings collapse. Say goodbye to the Hoover Dam, the Pantheon, and pretty much every concrete structure on Earth. Why? Because oxygen is a key ingredient in concrete, acting as a binding agent. Without it, concrete instantly crumbles into dust, and that's just the start. Part 3. Metals fuse. Normally, metals don't stick together because of a thin layer of oxidation on their surface. Remove the oxygen and that protective layer vanishes, causing untreated metals to instantly weld together. Your car, your appliances, even entire buildings would start fusing in weird ways. Part 4. Sunburns and explosions. Relaxing on the beach? Bad idea. The ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's deadly UV rays, is made entirely of oxygen. With no oxygen, there's no ozone and no shield. In seconds, you'd be hit with extreme radiation, enough to cause severe burns. And it gets worse. Losing 21% of air pressure instantly would make your inner ears explode. It's like suddenly dropping 2,000 meters in altitude with no time to adjust. Painful and deadly. Part 5. Vehicles stop, planes fall, fires would go out. Cars, buses, and planes would instantly stop working because combustion engines need oxygen. Every plane in the sky would stall and fall. Millions of vehicles worldwide would freeze in place, creating chaos everywhere. Part 6. The sky goes dark. Without oxygen, sunlight wouldn't scatter in the atmosphere. That beautiful blue sky? Gone. Instead, Earth would be covered in pitch-black darkness, even during the day. Part 7. Earth itself crumbles. And finally, the most catastrophic effect. Earth's crust is made up of 45% oxygen. Take it away, and the crust would collapse in on itself, disintegrating until there's nothing left. That means the ground beneath you would literally crumble, sending the entire planet into chaos. So, while 5 seconds might sound harmless, losing oxygen would destroy the world as we know it. Luckily, this nightmare will never happen, and you can take a deep, refreshing breath knowing that 21% of our atmosphere will always be oxygen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mind-bending what if, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to FactLab for more incredible explorations of science, space, and the universe.